How to fix the HomeStreet Bank app not working. Hey everybody, in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can fix if your HomeStreet banking app is not working. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up the application, and from here you can try to log into your account. If you're unable to do so, then go to your Play Store first, and here on the search bar you're going to search for HomeStreet. Once you've searched for it, hit enter. And you're going to find the HomeStreet Banking app. Once you find the app, you just need to make sure to update it to its latest version. So here, just go ahead and update the app to its latest version. And then finally, you can just long press on the app to go to app info. You might also want to check your network connection, because sometimes if you don't have a good enough internet connection, that might be the trouble causing. So you might want to check that. Then go to permissions and make sure you allow all of these permissions for the app to run smoothly. Then you can go to storage and just go ahead and clear cache first, and then you can try to clear app data as well. But this is going to completely erase all of the app data, including its files, settings, and accounts. So if you're sure you want to do that, just go ahead and complete it. And if there are anything going on in the background regarding the app, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right to completely stop the requests and actions. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.